We just got Clocky for our review, and I'm pretty excited because this is what it looks like. And look at this, super sturdy. If you don't know what this is for those people that have a tendency to kind of like hit the snooze button and not really get out of bed when the alarm goes. Well, this is, yes, part alarm, and I can have the alarm set on right now, and it is set to go off in about 45 seconds. So let's prepare for that. So yes, alarm is on, so there will be some sound, but I also have for motion, because this thing has batteries in it, of course, and can sit on the side of your bed just like that, and when it goes off, it will actually start rolling, jumping, basically going all over the room, and you'll have to get up to stop it. So yes, there is a snooze button at the top, and the alarm can be set super simply. The time can be set very easily. It does take 4 AAA batteries that are not included. I just pop them in, they work right away. The whole thing is super sturdy, so it's not going to damage things around the house either, because it's going to bump on the rubber wheels as well, so that's a good thing. 3:10 in a few seconds, it should sound. And there we go. So yeah, I mean, clearly I wouldn't want this to be going around. This is super loud. You do have to get up, grab it, snooze it, I think. They really want you to get up. Like, I'm awake now. Believe it or not, I'm definitely awake. There we go. So, ready to hit the shower? Clocky's gonna get you up every single day. It's pretty cool, and it's very sturdy. As you can see, it came off the table, no problem. Continued doing its garbly. It's awesome.